This video will provide an overview of the steps involved to receive reemployment assistance benefits. Reemployment assistance is just Florida's way of saying unemployment compensation. To receive your reemployment assistance benefits, first complete the online application. Go to DEO's website at floridajobs.org and click on File a Claim for State or Federal Reemployment Assistance Benefits. Answer the questions on the screen. DEO also has a mobile-friendly site you can use to apply. Go to mobile.connect.myflorida.com. Please note that the mobile system does not automatically input your information into Connect, which is DEO's online system, so this could result in a delay in processing your application. Due to the pandemic, DEO is also accepting paper applications. You can download the paper application from their website at floridajobs.org. Choose Reemployment Assistance Resources, then choose RA Paper Application. Choose your language to download the form. Please note that submitting a paper application will probably take longer to process than an online application. DEO offers special assistance to people who do not speak English as their primary language and those who have a limited ability to read, speak, write, or understand English. They also provide special assistance to people who need help filing a claim online because of legal reasons, computer illiteracy, language barriers, or disabilities. Call them at 833-352-7759. Once you submit your application, DEO will send you a notification by email or mail, depending on how you said you wanted to be notified in your application, with instructions on how to log into Connect, which is DEO's online system. The next step is for DEO to verify the information you provided. DEO will confirm your identity with the Social Security Administration. DEO will confirm the wages you received from your previous employer. And DEO will make sure you are not receiving wages in another state and that you haven't filed an unemployment claim in another state. After DEO has verified your claim, the next step is for DEO to determine if you are eligible to receive benefits, and if so, the amount you qualify to receive. Except for cases where benefits may temporarily increase, such as during the COVID-19 pandemic, Florida's reemployment assistance benefits pay a minimum of $32 and a maximum of $275 per week for up to 19 weeks. You can also log in and check your Connect inbox for information about DEO's monetary determination. If either you or your last employer disagree with DEO's determination, then either of you may appeal. Once your eligibility has been finalized, you will receive payment by direct deposit or prepaid card depending on what payment method you chose during your application. If you need more help, we encourage you to reach out to your local public library. Public libraries can help with many things, including letting you use a computer, printer, copier, scanner, or fax machine. Some libraries also have staff available who may be able to help guide you through the application process. Find your local library at myfloridalibrary.com. You can contact the Florida Department of Economic Opportunity for assistance too. Click the link in the description of this video for more information on how to contact DEO. We hope that you found this information useful. Visit our YouTube channel for more videos on applying for reemployment assistance benefits in Florida.